Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Photos on Pixel phones to add effects to your videos. This can be useful if you want to create videos with fun effects and upload them to your social media apps like Instagram and Facebook. So to do this, open your Photo app, locate the video you want to add effects on, then open it. Now tap on Edit at the bottom of the screen. Next, scroll towards the left and choose Effects. Here you can select different effects. You have dust mix, you also have paper tear, among others. For this video, I will choose Fisheye. Now tap on Save Copy. It will take a few seconds to save the new video. All done. I now have another copy of my video in a fisheye effect. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.